Nico konnichiwa, Senpai da yo. So I had released an anatomy tutorial video way back in 2019, and I'm pretty glad to know that a lot of kouhais actually learned something from it. If you kouhais that follow me exactly through the tutorials, I expect you kouhais to know how to draw the face, hair, eye, body, hand, oppai, and clothes already. As for the legs and lower body, I'll probably cover them in the future, but I won't guarantee that. The reason why you clicked into this video is because you want to draw a simple upper body edgy illustration with a nice pose. Am I right? A character with huge boobies, lustrous hair, and beautiful eyes. Oh, I understand your true intentions. In this tutorial video, I'm going to show you kouhais how to draw poses in different angles by using the knowledge we have learned from the previous anatomy tutorial. If you kouhais haven't watched it, please click this box right here and come back to watch this video once you have understood everything. Now without further ado, let's jump straight into it. Let's start with the most drawn pose, the 45-degree standing pose. It's not that hard actually. First, we draw the head. Then, draw an oval to represent the body. Since the character is standing at a 45-degree angle instead of facing the front, we're able to see the width of the oval. You must draw that width, or else your character will look flat and plain. Then, proceed to draw two spheres to represent the shoulders. Next, draw the center line straight down to the stomach, and draw the waist from there. Then, draw an oval again to represent the pelvis. Draw the butt and the groin area accordingly. Lastly, finish up with the thighs, arms, and hands. And the rough sketch is done. Moving on, draw a detailed draft by filling up the eyes, hair, the clothes of your choice, etc. The next step is to draw the senga to make sure the lines are cleaner and clearer in general. And it's done. Simple, isn't it? Okay, let's try some sitting pose. First, we draw the head. Then, draw an oval to represent the body. Since the character is sitting on the floor, we would be looking at her from above. Then, proceed to draw two spheres to represent the shoulders. Next, draw the center line straight down to the stomach, and draw the waist from there. Then, draw an oval again to represent the pelvis. Lastly, draw the legs and the arms accordingly. Boom, it's done. The next step is to draw the senga to make sure the lines are cleaner and clearer in general.
Bikini again? Senpai kono hentai.
Let's do one last sketch before we end this video. So I've shown two examples where both bodies are facing the front. Then how should we draw a character whose back is facing the front? First, we draw the head, then the body. In the two previous examples, we drew the oppai on the flat part of the oval, which is the chest. But in this case, the flat part is actually the back. The center line is the spine. Then we draw the shoulders, the elbows, the arms, and the oppai. And of course, the ass. Lastly, draw the arms and the hands. And it's done. Now let's draw the rest.
I want to get clear between those enormous ass.
I hope you kouhais learned something from today's video. The truth is, I've always struggled with drawing poses, but with perseverance and a shit ton of practices, yeah, I can see I'm getting better. I hope. People always say that they can't draw poses or they have trouble with anatomy. I think it's simply because you weren't able to imagine the 3Dness of the body. As long as you draw those ovals, spheres, squares, cubes at the right place, right angle, right size, like what I've demonstrated just now, your anatomy won't go wrong. If I can do it, you can do it. Please drop a like, subscribe to my channel, and follow me on Twitter. DM me if you want a commission from me. Alright, that's all from me. Jana kouhais.